equipment. Now you use those equipment to fight illegal mining. Ubi has honey here me TME. The surest way of fighting galamsey, unimadekro, excavators, controlling excavators. Because without excavator.
Quickly, let's go to Sammy Gyamfi. Sammy Gyamfi yesterday spoke. Yeah, Abdul say Asari is her name. Yeah, thank you, mommy. Yeah. Sammy Gyamfi yesterday granted an interview. Okay? And the interview was because of galamsey. Truth be told, the situation now is worse. The galamsey situation in Ghana right now, as you and I are speaking, 50 days of NDC in power is worse. It is even beyond our anticipation, beyond our wildest imaginations. The galamsey situation. Just 50 days of NDC in power, galamseyers have been so much empowered, so much so that even rivers that used to flow, now they are no longer flowing. I'm a Papa Bay, good evening and welcome, please. Right? Even rivers that used to flow, they are no longer flowing because galamseyers have been able to create their own dam. The Tano River is finished. Galamseyers have been able to create their own dam. So the water is no longer flowing. They've been able to use the excavators to get to surprise you how they come up with such engineering. But it is at the detriment of all of us. And all this within 50 days. Even in Kevin, of NDC in power. Who can you blame? You can't blame anyone aside the government in power. Why? Because they ran their campaign based on galamsey issues. They told galamseyers that once you hear Jean Mensah announce that John Mahama is the winner of the election, quickly go to the forest, go and destroy the water bodies. That's the campaign they ran. They even presented MPs that were known galamseyers since from the tender age of 8 years. Yes, and they are so proud. They were proudly saying it on TV that, oh, I started galamsey when I was 8 years. So now the water bodies are being destroyed. So Sammy Gyamfi, come and tell us something sensible. Come and tell us how your government is going to fight the galamsey menace and win it. Sammy Gyamfi is saying that they are going to buy excavators and put trackers inside and there will be cameras around it. And I sat back, I was like, wait 1 minute. Wait 1 minute. Sammy Gyamfi, what are you saying?
You can't do some mining now, you're mining issue. It is a one hour day a fidini mine na, then you can control what is useful. Inti yam koto efidie ni yamfama miners yebemo mo excavators ba ye excavator no ya yo operators a ya train yo mu no mutwi ene betwi inti operator na ya training na ya tua ne ka no o ka so onfa excavator nko ye illegal mine ye sensu a onye ena yenim se ye yeduma yeni no obetumi abu ye asem so nti no ya san so the technology aka ho ye the geofence trackers ebe hye mfidie ni mo because the concession bia no the coordinates with the MCAS platform of Minerals Commission. It is yenim say yama OB Ventures concession eda sehi akontomra yama wefidia. The coordinates of your concession no ya bogu track mo ye dia share fidie ni mo. Me ma excavator na travel concession share excavator no dey enye se be hu engine be breaki e be gina. I just say from the control room me ma kwan enye se excavator ni nya adwuma. Inti ye ne ma mine na fidie won't be fire mine no e won't be fire fidie no and say so women's it is because John Mahama is a visionary among fontiase tikesia e da so da yepa na nam se wona wo ma mine na fidie nti no geofence tracker shim the operator is your worker TDO on the equipment are cameras that helps you to see in your control room here in Accra real time everything happening in and around the concession. You see it on camera real time. It will be here illegal mining or joining a UBA, you see it from your cameras. Then because my mano excavators no my mano Men the man washing plants na wako hurugo na gunsumu. Inti man wheel loader and a payloader. Excavator ni 2 netie na wheel loader na sesa netie no. Ne masanso ama ni tipper tracks. Ne de good tipper tracks mu. Ne de netie ni nyina akọ central processing center to process the good. Yem process good no kwaye mu ho nsensuo no. Inti ye be create processing center in all the enclaves. Ne the good na ba ne process. Ye processor no. And the baby in India do need to process a gold board, they be small scale miners on. And you use chemical. Obi, as I'm there. No water, you don't use water.
To say
it is there. I'm telling you, in the law, I can show you. Supports for small scale miners in the nature of geological investigations, equipment finance, concessional loans.
Okay.
So we have started developing the policy with the technical committee. And the interest people are showing because now there is an agency.
Illegal miners are destroying water bodies. When you were in opposition, you were so loud, you were asking that mining, whether legal or illegal, should be banned. You sponsored the likes of Raphael and co. to go and do demonstration, to go and take keys from police cars and throw it away. Why? Because you said mining legal or illegal must be banned. In fact, you sponsored the likes of Prof. Jampo, who is now eating, so he is no longer talking, to ask UTAC to go on strike. Why? Because you said legal and illegal mining must be banned for some time. Now, we are asking Sammy Gyamfi, PMMC boss, what is your government going to do? You are telling us you are going to buy excavators. Uncle Felix, you are welcome. Thank you so much. You are going to buy excavators, put tractors inside. You'll be able to manage, you'll be able to remotely control the excavators from your office in Accra. Sammy Gyamfi, are you serious? Let's ask ourselves, when you look at the communities they do this illegal mining in, when you look at the individuals that are involved in this illegal mining on the grounds, people on the grounds, do they look like people who can afford a excavator that Sammy Gyamfi is talking about? There is something wrong with us. There is something wrong with us. The people who are down there in the pits, baby, you are welcome. They cannot afford excavators. Sammy Gyamfi is telling us that he can control the excavators from his office. Thousands of excavators. Sammy Gyamfi can control it from his office. They will put cameras around it. We are joking. We are joking. And these are the people that are ruling us for the next 4 years. Sammy Gyamfi and co. The likes of Malik Basentale and co. They are the people who are going to govern this country for the next 4 years ahead of us. And so what happened in 2014? The signal that scientists gave us in 2014 that we were going to start importing water, I can tell you solemnly that very, very, very soon, with this kind of mindset that Sammy Gyamfi and the likes, the kind of solution they think they are giving for the galamsey, with these solutions they are giving, a solution that is worse than the problem itself, what is going to happen is that it's going to get worse. Ghana Water Company is going to collapse. Already they are looking to sell Ghana Water Company, right? And then the next thing is that Ghana might start importing water from our neighboring our neighbors. And another thing they also intend to do, Sammy Gyamfi and the likes team tend to do, or they want to do, is that the gold board have been formed. If we know what is good for Ghana, if we want to leave a legacy for our children, our children's children, we must all stand against this gold board with the last strength in us. What they are doing is a hijack of the natural resources of this nation. A few people are going to be the ones calling the shot in the gold sector in Ghana, in the mineral sector in Ghana. That is the plan of the NDC. And that is the plan they've started implementing. It is for that reason that they sent Sammy Gyamfi to PMMC. We have interesting days ahead of us as a nation.